What's up everybody, my name is Jared, aka Sinister Camaro, and welcome back to another video. I hope your day is going awesome, and thank you so much for joining me for another video. So today we have a little project on our hands, and from what I have been researching, apparently there's not very good instructions in it. So instead of just showing you the finished project, we're going to try to build it together. So without further ado, this is what we're going to be working on. So if you see my earlier videos, you know that I have a pretty neat setup, but one of the things I've been kind of missing the most is a good padded seat. Been searching around, shopping around, and searching for a while, and I finally found one that I like. Of course I gotta go DxRacer, because you know, the gamers, we have to have that. We're gonna open this box up, we're gonna take a look at it, see if we can figure out how to install it correctly, so our rear ends can feel a little bit better while we're gaming, editing, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as you can tell, this is what I see as soon as I open up the box. I know these are going to be our legs right here. We got our arms already poking out. So let's go ahead and remove the box so we can see everything that we need and we get with this package. As you can tell, this is exactly what comes out of the box. So of course you've got your seat already made out and already ready to go. As you can see, I went with the red with the carbon fiber look. Oh, nice and soft padding. It already feels good already. We've got our headrest pillows. So you got your lower and upper support for your back. I have no idea where the screw came from, but it dropped out when I was taking everything out. You got the backrest support. Look at that black and red, I love it. This is your bottom end where your wheel's gonna go. It's got like a spider effect to it. And then all your nuts, bolts, pieces, and your lever, and all that good stuff in this box right here. So I'm gonna remove all the wrapping and then we'll get started building. And here it is. Every single part that possibly came out of that box is sitting right in front of you without all the plastic and all the foam that came with it in packaging. Again, you got your seats, you got your padding. This is going to go underneath the chair to lift and raise it. This is going to be your strut. This is going to be your wheels on the bottom, which I think these are 3-inch caster wheels. I was told on some of the reviews on the website that these were really the best to get, so I made sure that my chair actually had that. These are going to be side panels for the side of the chair. You got your outer wrench, bolts, washers, and these plastic pieces that go inside of here. You've got instructions, so here are the instructions if needed. These are the parts that you need, and pretty much the instructions how you should lay out everything out. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And of course these are the side pieces, how to put those on as well. So can't wait to dig into this project. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, I can't wait to see it done. So let's get started. So we're about to put the back on. It says that these sides are the first thing that you need to put on. So basically we took the sides of it. As you can see here, these holes, there were bolts in it, so we used the Allen wrench supplied and we took them out right here. Make sure when you're getting them out, the washers that are right here that you see, there's 2 of them. They might get stuck behind this fabric. I fished them out with my fingers before I pulled the bolt all the way out, so that way I wouldn't lose it, because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have it on the outside or the inside. So I took it out with it just in case, so I will not lose it. So let's go ahead and mount it to the back. So to mount this up, make sure you have a second person with you, because it makes it much easier to line the holes up on the side. But if you don't have anybody, just make sure the metal pieces on the bottom of the chair are sticking up. That way you can just snug it right on in and put the bolts inside. And voila, that's what it's gonna look like. So if you can see here on the side, here's where your bolts are. There's just 2 bolt holes right there. I'm going to tighten them down and it should be set. go. This should lay right back, and just like that, you got it. Oh yeah, part one done. The next step is going to be putting on your side pieces. This should have come equipped with your whole kit. So, of course, he had two different sizes. The bigger one's going to be on your right side with your handle, of course, to clear it, and this is going to be on your left side. Let's pop it in the bottom. Just like that. And the top should overlay. So take one of the little bolts, you have two of them in your package, with the smaller Allen wrench, and feed it on through. And everything should line up because of the other bolts you have in place, so it should not be that hard to find like it was before. I like to over tighten just a little bit just to make sure she's snug. And then take one of your plastic rectangular pieces. Of course, that's upside down. Make sure the perforated or the jagged line, if you can see that, make sure the rough edge at the top. And boom, that side's done. And of course, I'll speed this up. Of course, smaller side you want on this side. Boom, other side's done. All right, so next we're gonna move to the underside. All right, now for this part, we are going to be attaching the underpiece, which will go like this. So this is the back of the chair back here. This is the front of your chair up here. You're gonna make sure that your lever is pointing backwards to the back of the chair. And your little knob is of course pointing forwards. And this is where your strut's gonna go when you set it on top of it. Ooh, nice little rubber bands on the bottom too. Good thing about it is that I think we found the bolt that we're looking for. As you can see right here, it's already been removed. I didn't do that beforehand, it was already like that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and remove the others. And just like that, all four have been removed. So now all we have to do, line this up and do the same thing, but in the reverse direction. And voila, we've got it. You got it working up and down, left and right. All right, so that I believe is it for the top half of the chair. Let's go ahead and head over to the bottom of the chair and see if we can assemble the bottom of it. All right, so now for this last little bit, it's gonna be super simple, super easy. Basically snaps and clicks, and that's all we need. So we're gonna take the bottom of the legs here, take our caster wheels, pop them in until it's snug, it won't come back out. Just pop them back in there and do all that with all of them. All right, so now we've got all the wheels on the bottom of the rig. So now let's take our strut, pop it on in there like that. You'll see it come out a little bit on the bottom right there. It goes right through the hole. You'll get these little things to make it look nice and pretty, and collapses just like that, like a telescope. And boom, that's all you need to do to the bottom. So now, let's go ahead and grab the top, see what she looks like. So let me just go ahead and say right now that with the top half all complete, it's really, really heavy. So be careful when lifting it. She's a big boy, I will say. She is a big boy. So, let's go ahead and fit it on our strut. It should just pop right on, and we're set. So I was gonna wait till a little bit later to do the first sit down reaction, but man, this has me beat. All I will say is that this is a whole lot more comfortable than the little Walmart $20 poker table set that I have in the office right now. It looks good, Feels good. Great thing about these side arms is they're 360. You can make them up, down, left, right. You can even adjust them up and down. So definitely a plus for me. But this is pretty much as far as it goes back. Not all the way, but close enough. Lift it, and this is how far forward you can be if you really want to get into the game. But me, I'm probably going to relax a little bit. Oh yeah, this is the life. So this is the Valkyrie Series. If you can... So this is the Valkyrie Series from DxRacer. This is the whole entire setup. I weigh about 150 pounds, well, probably a little bit more than that now, but around 150, 160 pounds. I'm 6'1", and let's just say it fits me perfect. It's got some more room to grow just in case I need it, unlike the Racing and Formula Series that are much on the smaller side as far as width. So I'm definitely glad that I went with this chair over the other two. I mean, it looks and feels so awesome. And I have to always say this in all my videos so you can understand that I'm being 100% honest. This video is not sponsored. This is something I bought for myself because I'm sitting in a chair editing and gaming all day, so might as well be comfortable while I'm doing it, right? It's 24-hour streams that we're going to be doing. Yeah, this bad boy's going to be coming in handy. Oh, and let's try out the wheels. This is hardwood floor, and it moves like a dream. No squeaks, no rattles, no nothing. It's just so perfect. Let's show you exactly how to install this guy, because that was not in the instructions at all. So let's figure this out together. Alright, so a little close-up look at it. You'll basically get a string here and a string here with a little buckle on it, as you can see right here. All you have to do is just run the top cable, make sure it's straight, make it through the hole, down the back. So you basically just take it right here, make it go through the loop on the bottom, come out the top, and down the bottom again. And you just pull on that to make sure it's in the right spot for you, and do the same thing on the other side. Now the pillow is going to be nice and simple, because as you can see, it's got a nice little band on the back of it. All you have to do is just stretch it out. Just like that, headrest is done. Oh yeah, this is the life. This is even better. Oh man, I'm gonna sleep in this thing. So if you did enjoy this video and it's any help to you whatsoever and what kind of chair you should buy, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me so much to get this video seen. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel below. Let me know in the comments, what kind of seat would you like to get? Is it a DxRacer? What kind of model? What colors? Would it be crazy to think that Sinister Camaro at one point could actually get their own chairs made with the logo on the back and everything like that? You think we can do it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know. If you have any questions at all on the chair, or pretty much anything at all, make sure to let me know either in the comment section, on my Instagram page right here, on my Facebook page right here, or you can just simply email me, because I'm really easy to get in touch with. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. At the time of filming this, it's July 3rd, so I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful July 4th and stayed safe out there. So until next time, guys, we'll see you in the next video, and always remember, stay sinister. You can recline it back. Whoa! Almost fell. You didn't see that. But while I'm screwing these in, I just want to let you know that this is probably going to be a little bit easier with two people, but hi low-key. Are you going to be my second person? To mount this, you have the shot?
Perfect. Perfect.